All right, kiddos. One of the things we've been talking about was multimeters. The first one we're going to talk about on selection is the VAC, which is voltage AC. Most outlets are AC outlets, which has alternating current. It has electrical pressure. If you'll look at this electrical box here, it's damaged. I'm going to have to repair it. So one of the first things I need to do is make sure there's no electrical pressure present at this point. Because if there is any electrical pressure, it's enough to kill me or hurt me. It can cause serious damage or death. So we don't want to just play around with it. So I have a meter that lets me know when there's electrical pressure present. There's a couple of ways I can do it. It has the NCV on there, which lets you know if you're near a line that has electrical pressure. It senses the magnetic field that comes outside the wire. Or I can just do it manually by using the two leads and putting it on VAC. All right, the VAC setting right here. But I'm going to show you that if there's any electrical pressure here, I can push this button and it should make a noise if it's present. You don't hear no humming or anything like that. So that means it probably doesn't have any electrical pressure. So I'm going to make sure I'm putting it on VAC. I'm going to get down here. I'm going to take my meter and I'm going to watch the LED screen and put it in there. Notice there's no noise. All right? So that means there's no electrical pressure present. But I want to make sure that I do have power coming to this. So just give me a moment and I'm going to go over there to the switch and I'm going to turn it on. All right, I went inside and turned on the switch. I'm going to see if that switch was the live one. First, I'm going to do the NCV. It's not making any noise. So it's probably not on yet. So, but I'm still going to check manually on VAC. All right. Having a little difficulties. And again, nothing. So it looks like I didn't get the right switch. Okay, so now I'm going to go back again and turn on that and try the other switch. Well, kids, I turned the switch on and I did have the correct switch on, but I forgot I made the line that goes to this into an outlet and I made a cord into it. So this is one of the ways you can troubleshoot and find out why you're not getting power to something. So it turns out when I plugged it in, now let's see if the NCV button will work. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a noise. It's telling me I have electrical pressure right here right now. You see that red light? See this red light? It tells me there's electrical pressure. When I get away from it, see that red light goes off? See right there, the NCV? When I get near it, that light should turn red. See how it's turning red? It lets me know if there's electrical pressure right there. So now, I'm going to use a volt. I put it on VAC. If you'll watch the LED, I'm going to put one on each side of the slots. You hear my meter beeping, that's telling me that's high voltage. Dangerous. Danger. That's why the red light's bleeping. And if you notice, it says high V. That means high voltage. 120 and up is high voltage. But even low voltage has enough current to kill you. It only takes 75 milliamps to kill you or harm you. All right? Well, these are one of the reasons why we needed the meter. Okay? There'll be more videos to come.